Emirates has an aggressive fleet renewal strategy, which ensures we operate one of the world's most modern, safe and efficient fleet of aircraft, with an average age of less than 75 months. Today we are witnessing the retirement of Echo Mike Foxtrot, which is the last remaining Boeing 777-200 in our fleet. The aircraft goes through a number of processes, including a debranding exercise to remove the Emirates livery and logos. In effect, it becomes unrecognisable that this was an Emirates aircraft, apart from the seating and carpet, which remain intact.
We're here today to fly this airplane, this Boeing 777-200 Alpha 6 CMF from Dubai to Boston and then onwards to Arizona, where it will be deregistered and it will be dismantled. Since joining our fleet in 1996, Alpha 6 Echo Mike Foxtrot has carried hundreds of thousands of passengers all over the world, and it has flown around 60 million kilometers, which is enough to fly to the moon back about 80 times. So, you ready for this flight?
Yes.